Ushtra Asana. Ushtra in Sanskrit means a camel. The spine in this asana is curved like a camel. Sit in Vajrasana pose. Stand up on the knees. Keep the knees shoulder width apart. Place the feet on the ground, parallel to each other, with soles upturned and in line with the knees. Now bring both the hands on the waist in such a manner that thumbs touch each other on the spine. All the fingers should point towards the navel. Inhaling slowly, bend the neck backward. When the bend is complete, take the hands off the waist and put them on the soles of the feet. Breath should be normal. Stay in this pose as long as possible. All the three parts of the spine become flexible: the cervical, that is the neck part, dorsal, middle part of the spine, lumbar, part of the spine below the waist. All the minor displacements of the vertebrae, such as deformity, slip disc, spondylitis, are removed. The interior parts of the thighs, abdomen and chest are stretched and strengthened. It also reduces the excess fat on hips and abdomen. Inhaling when we bend backwards, our trunk, waist and lungs become flexible, and it also increases the capacity to hold the breath. This asana is very beneficial for body development as well as for increasing our height. It also cures all the irregularities of menstrual cycle in women. It strengthens the heart and alleviates other ailments connected with it. The most important point to be kept in mind in this asana is that navel should remain outwards as far as possible, so that it may have maximum effect on the spine. Slowly come back to the original position. Take rest in Vajrasana.